If you use TradingView charts and want to add your name, brand, or custom text directly on the chart as a watermark, this video is for you. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you step-by-step how to add a watermark in TradingView, even if you are a complete beginner with zero experience. Let's get started. Step 1. Open TradingView and your chart. First, go to the TradingView website and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, open any chart. You can click on Chart from the top menu and it will open the default chart layout. Now you should see your candlestick chart on the screen. Step 2. Open Chart Settings. To add a watermark, look at the top right corner of your chart and click on the gear icon. This is the Chart Settings button. When you click it, a settings window will open with multiple tabs like Symbol, Status Line, Scales, and Appearance. Step 3. Enable the built-in symbol watermark. First, go to the Appearance tab. Here, you will see an option related to watermark. TradingView automatically shows a large faded symbol name in the middle of the chart, like BTC USDT or Nifty. Make sure the Watermark option is enabled. This will display the symbol name and time frame in the middle of your chart. You can also adjust the text color and background here to make the watermark more or less visible. Click OK to apply the changes. Step 4. Add a custom text watermark. If you want to add your own custom watermark, like your name, brand, or for educational purposes only, here's what you do. On the left-hand toolbar, click on the Text tool. It usually looks like a T icon. After selecting the Text tool, click anywhere in the middle of your chart. A text box will appear. Type your custom watermark text, for example, your channel name. Now, double-click on the text to open its settings. In the Settings panel, increase the font size to make it large, reduce the text opacity to make it look like a watermark, change the color to something light like gray. You can also remove the background and border for a cleaner look. Drag the text to the center of the chart and resize it if needed. Step 5. Lock the watermark. To prevent accidental movement, right-click on the text and select Lock. This ensures your watermark stays in place while you analyze the chart. And that's it. Now you know how to add both the built-in symbol watermark and a custom text watermark in TradingView. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more beginner-friendly TradingView tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.